Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings and let me go back. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find this option, System and Update, and then enter Reset Options. So here we've got two options which are connected with the network preferences. So first of all, at the top, almost at the top, we've got Reset Network Settings. So we will reset the mobile data, mobile network settings. And under it, we've got the option Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so we can do it separately from the mobile data. So basically, the operation in both, depending which option you need, is pretty same. So just tap on the option and tap on Reset Settings. Confirm everything with your screen lock, and here we've got an additional information that you cannot undo this action. So just tap on Reset Settings if you're ready. And here we've got the information, we just did it. The same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it and tap on Reset. And as you can see, we just successfully reset the network settings such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and mobile data at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.